Hello and welcome to the NetActuate Portal. My name is Craig Jackson, and today we're going to take a look at the networking and then cloud routing section of our portal. When you click into cloud routers, you're presented with both the cloud routers option as well as Magic Mesh. And Magic Mesh is just going to combine multiple cloud routers together and share connectivity and routing between them so that we can mesh multiple networks together. We'll start by clicking into cloud routers, and you can see that I have two, one in Atlanta and one in Denver. When you open up a router, you're presented with multiple options on the left that we need to configure and kind of stack that configuration on each other so that we can provide tunnels, BGP peering, we can provide IPsec connectivity, and all of this will pass through an interface. And so we'll click into interfaces, and we can see that I have a WireGuard interface to support a tunnel. And if you click into that, you can see all of its settings and configure it. And I already have a network configured here with an endpoint for the interface. And I'll make that configured now. Once that configuration takes, then we will move into the routing section. And we can provide routes to that interface and terminate them to that interface in both static. We can filter on a prefix level, and we can also do a BGP peer connection as well. And you can set up the peering neighbors and the interface settings for the BGP peering all in this option here. Since we're combining networks together, it'd be nice to translate as well, and so we have both inbound and outbound NAT rules so that we can work around any subnets or network collisions as we start to combine these different networks across the globe. Once you have an interface set up, then we can also do GRE tunnels on top of WireGuard. We can also do IPsec connectivity as well. So if you have a direct connection to AWS or you have an IPsec connection to another area, we can terminate that on our end to an interface in a cloud router, provide IPsec connectivity or BGP peering as well. And if the routing gets really complicated, we can even add additional VRFs to the cloud router. Once you have a cloud router installed or multiple cloud routers installed, we can then go into the Magic Mesh option, and you can see that I have a Magic Mesh created here, and we will add the two routers that I have to it, and we will begin to combine those two networks together. So now if I have multiple networks connected in both Denver and in Atlanta, well, now they are meshed together, and we can provide connectivity from all of the Denver connected networks to all of the Atlanta connected networks. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much.